Take a ride in the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, brake assist, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.